A timeless symbol across cultures, candles represent so much more than light. They embody life, hope, spirituality, and even mortality. A simple flame, suspended in the air, flickering, speaks to our senses of transience. A candle burns bright but slowly. Inevitably, it will fade, much like time itself. Its light is both a beacon and a reminder of fragility. I'm using yellows, blues, and browns for this piece, and each color carries its own weight. Yellow in the flame is warmth and optimism. It's the color of life and energy, and at its core it symbolizes the very fire that drives us forward, illuminating the darkness of life. Blue, in contrast, cools the scene, grounding the flame in a sea of calmness. Dark blues evoke depth, serenity, but also mystery, pulling the viewer into a quiet, contemplative space. Browns blend the shadows, connecting the candle to the earth. Browns represent the passage of time and the grounding element of nature. It's stable and ancient, like the wick of the candle, which will eventually turn to ash. Candles have been used throughout human history. In religious ceremonies, from lighting the way for spirits to finding one's way in the dark, both literally and metaphorically. In Catholicism, candles are lit as a prayer offering, symbolizing devotion and the divine presence. In Hinduism, candles are central to the Diwali festival, symbolizing the victory of light over darkness. In Buddhism, candles are used to illuminate statues of Buddha, representing wisdom as a guiding light. Candles still connect us to something ancient and profound, but they also carry a darker, eerie significance. In folklore and ghost stories, flickering as a sign of spirits or being snuffed out as an omen. Candles and their flames have long been seen as gateways between worlds. The flicker of a flame can hint at a presence unseen, a silent visitor. No painting of a candle is complete without a story steeped in mystery. Enter the ghost candle of Pluckley. In the small village of Pluckley, Kent, England, widely known as the most haunted village in England, there's a tale of a haunted candle. According to legend, the phantom candlelight is often seen burning late at night at Nicholas churchyard. Witnesses claim to see the flickering light float through the air. glowing softly as if carried by an invisible hand. It drifts between the headstones before vanishing into the night. The candle's flame is said to represent a restless soul, a monk who centuries ago wandered the churchyard, lighting candles to guide the lost souls to the afterlife. After his death, it's said that his spirit never fully left, and his candle continues to flicker, as if he's still leading others across the threshold between life and death. Villagers who've seen the candle say that the air grows cold when it appears, and the flame never seems to extinguish, no matter how strong the wind blows. The sight of the candle sends a chill down the spine as it flickers just long enough to be seen before it vanishes, having the onlookers wondering whether they've really seen it at all. As we come to the end of this journey, we return to the symbolism of the candle. It's a simple object, a burning wick with wax melting away, but its significance runs deep. The flame is both a source of comfort and a symbol of life's impermanence. In my painting, this symbol flame reflects not just on the cool, dark blue and brown floor, but also on the human condition itself. We are drawn to the light, even as we remain cautious of the shadows. And perhaps, much like the ghost candle of Pluckley, leaving you with a sense of mystery, extended beyond the visible, flickering just at the edge of our understanding.